We should be gangs based on our suit color.
So segregation.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You're gonna get piped.
They'll get the
I
misogynist.
wish, bro.
Okay.
I
What
wish
does
I was
mean-
going to.
What does wait? What is pipe? Wait, does that mean you're getting? Wait,
I'm
he said
probably
he's
into it.
getting piped. Wait, what does that mean?
It means,
just
like the
grease.
metal pipe.
Let me look at those dogs.
I want to touch Emma's toes.
Spread them out. Give me that little.
And
Weak
probably
maxing.
just gonna get hate crime.
Yeah.
I will beat you to death.
Not while I'm
Huh?
here.
I'll be the one to do it.
I hope he dies.
Fuck you! Okay, can we not?
I quickly became homophobic.
No way the dog runs in, kills me, and then leaves immediately.
Homophobic dog.
Help me.
Ryan.
Help me.
Okay.
I'm trying to get back to Maine.
You ugly.
Oh.
Maine. To Maine.
Hello.
Nah, that is fucked.
Fuck.
Oh, there you are.
Shut
Yeah, is
up.
your flashlight charged? Oh, it's kind of dead.
I need a lot of flashlights. Don't we?
Who's shot?
Kyle's room.
Oh.
And it's gonna keep going left until I can't anymore. Oh!
Yeah, Sean John.
Okay.
I think the flashlight might be charged.
Is this Sisyphus? Yo. Oh!
Stop. Stop.
Now that sounds strange. I'm gonna go into the darkness. You wanna follow me with a shovel?
Sure.
You good?
Yo. Oh!
Just because the government tells you not to put your balls in a deep fryer doesn't mean I won't.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Oh. You guys can all do it at the same time.
God, you're giving me fucking lung cancer here.
Damn it. Want a battery fall off?
Is he gritting?
Probably.
I was gritting on top of the jester.
Sticking at your gap where there is no so skibbity. And I'm tapped.
I'm joking my shit.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, got Bracken.
Oh, hey, can I have that?
Bella's hiding up there.
Oh, yeah. Watch out. Keep that.
Oh,
Dude, I've got a...
Oh my god.
I think he's past the point of death.
Wait, should I just TP? Should I TP Noah?
Don't TP Noah.
Here, little
Wait,
bro.
what's happening?
Yeah, we're beating the fuck out of
beat the shit out of him.
There's a third one? There's a third. Wait, no, we just wait for it to come out.
Just
beat the fuck out of
beat the
him.
fuck out of
We
him.
just wait for it to come out.
That's what I'm saying. We're just gonna wait. I also saw something on
Alright, get that.
Beat it.
I'm torqued on it.
Alright, now can you check?
Wait, what happened?
Another.
I've got an idea.
Is that there for you too? Like,
floating in the sky?
Oh yeah, it is.
It's what?
It's face, but it's.
Haven't face is
Come
just
outside.
floating in the sky.
Where?
This.
Oh.
But look,
What the fuck?
you is typing mimic.
Oh.
Do you guys want to try the Nutcracker or?
Do you have a
Yeah,
zap
no,
gun? Did you
honestly,
bring the
I
zap
think.
gun?
I didn't bring the zap gun. I can go get it.
Yeah,
No,
but-
each of us only need to hit it twice. I swear we can do it.
Yeah, no, we can do it.
Well, how close is it to
There's
the...
no way it goes bad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh shit! Guy.
No!
I don't think you can charge the zap gun.
Oh,
This is not looking good for the win rate. Korakatawa.
Oh shit, go, 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 go.
Ow, ow. Ah! You fucker! Bro, he closed the door on me.
Brian, you can't take the afterlife. I'm sorry, I'm a rat.
Hello?
Holy. Oh my god.
Well, and the Yippee mod, but.
Yeah, I mean that one
Nick,
had
you're-
tags. What the fuck are you talking about? What's up?
Your mask is bugged and it's ginormous. Fucking massive.
Jetpack's here.
What?
I know the perfect dance for this.
We're about to decrease the win rate once again.
Let's go.
No, no, I know a trick. I know a trick.
He knows the trick. Well, I'd rather you wait till he comes in here.
It is.
Fuck Sam. Okay.
Flash checked in it.
Oh, he got
Now he's dead.
No! Ah!
Thank you.
Now don't step on that mine.
Hey, watch this. Oh! Alright, guys.
Alright, it was nice knowing
I'll
you.
make this. Don't worry, I'll be right out after you.
Okay, bye.
Got it.
I kind of wanted to
Nope.
try going
No
back
response.
inside and seeing if he's dead.
Oh.
Oh, I'm dead.
That one.
Is it that
Tornado
thing?
booster.
Oh!
You can use it to flash people.
Ow. Ow.
Ow! Do it
It is
again.
a reusable flash.
Ow! Do it again.
Stare to the sun.
Ah! Do it again.
Go
You
for
tell
a
me
chair.
someone wouldn't want a chair? It's
Honestly,
had
yeah,
some
it
woman's
would be-
flatulence on it.
Hey guys, what the fuck?
Also, I mean, when you sell it on eBay, I'm not saying send me the link, but.
Oh, that's
Huh?
No, I wasn't joking when I said you were the cutest employee, by the way. Dude, my store manager's a pedophile.
I hope he's dead.
No, are you good?
somebody help me, please.
Stop brushing your fucking teeth! I'll kill it.
Where's
We
Noah?
can't get.
Yeah, have this tea kettle. It'll make you feel at home.
Oh, fuck you, dude. Fuck you. They're accusing me just because I'm an immigrant. That's crazy.
Fuck your immigrancy.
Isn't everyone an immigrant here except me?
Yeah, that.
Downtown, walking fast.
No!
Hey, buddy.
Oh shit, I
There's
thought
some
that was
Alright, yeah, I can grab it.
God, Nick's a massive head.
Be white now.
Oh my fuck.
Find me a homie to knock up and I'm not
Huh?
one for
What?
me.
What did you?
What?
What did you say?
Like,
Who are you not? Who are you knocking up?
like violently. Violently.
You're violently knocking them up? Wow. Get in, get in. Look, that's not on me.
I'm fine, I'm fine. Sorry,
They're
I
all
put it
under
back.
the table there.
You're in the kitchen.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh shit, there's so many.
Yeah,
Wait,
what?
what? There's so many lamps.
Yeah, no, actually.
Are we good?
We have so many fucking lamps.
I will go down.
Okay, I got so scared. Oh, gay person.
Huh?
Hey guys, beehive spotted. It is right next to the ship. Oh god.
See you, losers.
Yo, watch your. Cool your shit! Cool your shit! Ow! Oh!
Where's my friend go? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, no. My father. Oh, I'm chasing like crazy. I'll go into better. My end.
Look at my mug.
Let's. Oh, his mug.
It has a sticker.
Number one mug?
Number one mug.
Number one mug?
He was number one.
Hey Ryan, guess what? You still have unpaid taxes, motherfucker. I'm gonna need your next 3 lamps.
My next 3 lamps? You already took 3 of them. Oh my gosh, he's so happy about his present. Nice. Shut up. My flashlight's dead, by the way. Oh my god, you're just killing all of them. Oh, he died too.
You can go in the shotgun.
Yeah, grab it.
Fucking graveyard.
Shout out to everybody with social anxiety. I kind of feel sorry for you.
Bluetooth device is
No,
connected
Joey!
successfully.